Well, we made it. All the way from West Texas to Alabama. Got there a little late, so I just went straight to the stand. I hate this whispering thing, but I got out late, so I have to whisper. We made it to Alabama. It was a long, long drive. I'm looking over a peanut field. You can't use corn out here in Alabama. You can't bait the deer, which is different. So we'll see how this goes. These people here are awesome. They're so nice. They've made me feel very welcome. And it's just like I'm with my dad and his friends. They're salt of the earth, baby. Alright, I'm gonna quit talking. And I'm gonna get done hunting. I'm hunting. How you like the beard? So the last evening, they put me in a blind overlooking another field. I don't know, it was bean or peanut, whatever. But, same thing. Still not seeing anything. Trying to keep my hopes up. I, uh, I love hunting. Even when you're not seeing anything. Being out here is pretty cool. It's purty. Temperature's not too bad. I'm not wasting on the couch watching TV. No one's telling me to do anything. Definitely not at work. But I sure would like to see something. Anything. I know it's very cliche, and they always say last evening, last hunt. Well, this was last evening, last hunt, and finally got a little action. Now, these weren't Boone and Crockett trophies, but hey, they were deer. Now, we didn't get anything on this trip, but I gotta tell you, I had a blast. Beautiful, beautiful country and beautiful people. I can't wait to get back.